Everyone is going crazy for Gemini 3 Pro preview as it provides something that was missing earlier. You can simply use it by going to the AI Studio of Google and switching to Gemini 3 Pro. By the way, this is the default version currently, so it would be quite easier for you to use it. Now, in this video, we will see how we can create a website and use AI voice agent on that particular website that can help all the people that are going to visit that website. So the basic idea for the website is that we are going to build a crypto website, an educational one where a person can visit that website for the answers related to crypto. Now let's see how this AI will build up this and how long will it take for it to create that website. It usually takes 2 to 3 minutes, and currently we are just 27 seconds out in this particular one. Now this will ask you for the microphone permissions because this is what it is required for you to chat with the AI voice agents. Otherwise you won't be able to chat with them. We are almost 90 seconds into this website building and I'm hoping for something positive. Let's see how it all works out. So it literally took 114 seconds, which is less than 2 minutes. And over here, this is the website that we wanted to create. And the cool thing is that it has the connect wallet option as well, which usually the crypto websites have. And let's check out whether this works or not. Hello.
Hello, ready to 5x your crypto knowledge? What's on your mind today?
I wanted to know what Bitcoin really is.
Think of Bitcoin like a shared digital notebook where everyone can see all the transactions, but no single person can change the notes. It's a form of digital money that's decentralized. What specifically about Bitcoin are you most interested in learning about?
Is it environmental friendly or is it against environment?
That's a critical question. Bitcoin's mining process, called proof of work, does use energy. There are ongoing discussions and innovations around finding more efficient and sustainable ways to manage Bitcoin. Are you interested in the different types of consensus mechanisms that blockchains use?
Well, this is insane. Literally, this is insane. It took me just a prompt, a basic newbie prompt. I don't even know how to prompt properly, and I could write some sentence and create a website within just 2 minutes. Now I can work on this website or ask someone else who has knowledge of creating websites to work on this one. So each and every section like the academy, market and DeFi and all sort of these sections could work out properly. But the insane thing is this AI voice agent, I can literally ask different questions to this AI. I asked the questions and the AI answered them quite well. So this is going to be quite huge. And this is just the beginning of AI, I feel. And I'm just wondering how this is going to be in the future, like down the 5 years. It can be pretty insane and more mind boggling than it is today. And now I know why Elon Musk said that everyone would be earning money without even working and there would be universal, not basic, but high income, universal high income, and people would be working out of hobby rather than earning money. So this is all now making sense to me. So I hope this video was helpful in some way. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.